Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to PayBright.com account. So let's get started right away. First of all, start off by open a web browser. In the URL box, type in PayBright.com and search. From the official website for PayBright, click on Login at the top right corner and select whether you are trying to log in as a customer or as a merchant. Click on one of the options and then on the next page, click on I'm already a customer. Now enter your mobile number in the text box. After entering your mobile number, click on continue and on the next page, enter the verification code sent to you via your phone number. Once you enter the code and verify your mobile number, you will then be able to log into your PayBright account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.